This is the letter S. This is the lowercase s. The letter S makes the S sound, like in the word star. Ooh. The letter S. Bye.
Give the letter S to Peck. He has the letter S on his shirt. S. 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 Good work! You gave the letter S. Give the letter M to Sandy. She has the letter M on her shirt. Mm. Awesome! You gave the letter M to Sandy. This is the letter S. Who is wearing the letter S? Tap them.
S.
Awesome! Olo is wearing the letter S. This is the letter R. Who is wearing the letter R? Tap them.
R.
Yay! Rhea is wearing the letter R. This is the letter S. Who is wearing the letter S? Tap them.
S.
Yay! Rhea is wearing the letter S. This is the letter T. Who is wearing the letter T? Tap them.
T.
Super! Sandy is wearing the letter T. Trace the lowercase letter S. Great! You traced the letter S.
This is the letter I. This is the lowercase I. The letter I makes the I sound, like in the word igloo. It's cozy in here. The letter I.
Give the letter I to Sandy. She has the letter I on her shirt. I. 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 Awesome! You gave the letter I to Sandy. Give the letter R to Sandy. She has the letter R on her shirt. R. 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 Awesome! You gave the letter R to Sandy. This is the letter I. Who is wearing the letter I? Tap them.
I.
Yay! Rhea is wearing the letter I. This is the letter A. Who is wearing the letter A? Tap them.
A.
Awesome! Olo is wearing the letter A. This is the letter I. Who is wearing the letter I? Tap them.
I.
Great! Peck is wearing the letter I. This is the letter M. Who is wearing the letter M? Tap them.
M.
Awesome! Olo is wearing the letter M. Trace the lowercase letter I. Great! You traced the letter I.
Hey! This is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. The opposite sides are parallel. A rectangle usually has 2 longer sides and 2 shorter sides. And an example of a rectangle is a door.
Hey, Sandy, come play with us!
Right behind ya!
Trace the rectangle. Awesome! Draw your own rectangle. Drag all the rectangles to hollow. You found all the rectangles. Give all the squares to hollow. You found all the squares. Sort the circles and rectangles. You sorted the shapes. Sort the triangles and rectangles. You sorted them. Shapes are everywhere around us.
Red apples for snack. Then he gets 1 more. Now Olo has more apples. He has 3.
Tap and count the apples.
1, 2,
Super! There are 2 apples. Look! 1 more apple fell. How many are there now? Tap them.
1, 2, 3.
Great! There are 3 apples now. How many dots are on the dice? Tap the number.
2.
Yay! You counted 2 dots. How many dots are on the dice?
1.
Great! You counted 1 dot. How many dots are on both dice all together?
2.
Oops!
3.
Cool beans! You counted 3 all together. Let's play some more. Word, bed. B. Good thinking. You spelled B-E-D. That's the word bed. Spell the word can. K. Sweet. You spelled K-A-N. That's the word can. Spell the word bag. B. Nice work. You spelled G. That's the word bag. Slide the letters to spell the word dog. D. Super! You spelled og. That's the word dog. Slide the letters to spell the word box. B. Super! You spelled ox. That's the word box. Spell the word cat. K. Great job! Nice work! Now, let's do a tricky one. Put the pink marbles in the blue water. Put the blue marbles in the pink water. Cool beans! Put the pink marbles in the blue water. Put the blue marbles in the pink water. Keep it up!